Eating bacon every day can have several effects on your body, some of which may not be beneficial for your health. It's important to note that bacon is a processed meat, and its consumption should be moderated. Here are some potential consequences of consuming bacon daily. High saturated fat and cholesterol. Bacon is high in saturated fat and cholesterol. Regular consumption of saturated fats can lead to the buildup of plaque in your arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Weight gain. The high fat content in bacon can contribute to weight gain when consumed in excess. Weight gain is associated with various health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and joint problems. Cancer risk. Processed meats like bacon have been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. The nitrates and nitrites used in the curing and preservation process may play a role in this risk. High blood pressure. The high sodium content in bacon can lead to elevated blood pressure, which is a risk factor for heart disease. Digestive issues. The fat and salt in bacon may cause digestive discomfort, such as acid reflux or indigestion, in some individuals. Increased risk of diabetes. The combination of high saturated fat and excess calorie intake can contribute to insulin resistance and increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. Reduced lifespan. Several studies have suggested that a diet high in processed meats, including bacon, is associated with a shorter lifespan. Unbalanced diet. Eating bacon every day may lead to an imbalanced diet. It's important to have a varied diet that includes a wide range of foods to ensure you get all the essential nutrients your body needs. Increased risk of cardiovascular disease. The saturated fat and cholesterol in bacon can contribute to the development of cardiovascular diseases. High blood cholesterol levels can lead to atherosclerosis, a condition where fatty deposits accumulate in the arteries, narrowing them and reducing blood flow. Blood sugar fluctuations. The lack of complex carbohydrates in bacon can lead to rapid spikes and subsequent drops in blood sugar levels. This can result in feelings of fatigue, irritability, and cravings for more unhealthy foods, which can contribute to overeating. Harmful additives. Many commercially available bacons contain additives such as preservatives, artificial flavors, and colorings. These additives may have adverse health effects for some individuals. Impact on mental health. There is evidence to suggest that a diet high in processed and fatty foods may have negative effects on mental health, potentially leading to symptoms of depression and anxiety. Gastrointestinal health. The high fat content in bacon can slow down digestion and lead to issues like constipation. Additionally, some people may be sensitive to the additives or naturally occurring compounds in bacon, which can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort. Environmental impact. The production of bacon and other processed meats has a significant environmental impact due to the intensive farming practices associated with raising the animals and the processing and transportation involved.